Yoga friends, I'm so happy you're here today. Before we start our fun yoga adventure, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and click subscribe bell so you don't miss any of our yoga journeys. We've got some awesome moves and games waiting for you. Let's stretch, breathe, and have fun together. Ready? Let's go. Mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet together, engaging your thigh muscles. Keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, and breathe deeply. Tree pose. Ready. Shift your weight to one foot. Place the sole of your opposite foot on your inner thigh or calf. Find your balance and focus your gaze. Triangle pose. Ready. From a wide stance, straighten your legs. Hinge at your hip to reach forward with one hand and extend the other arm toward the ceiling. Cobra pose. Ready. Lie on your belly. Place your hands under your shoulders and gently lift your chest off the mat, keeping your elbows tucked in. Lie on your belly. Place your hands under your shoulders and gently lift your chest off the mat, keeping your elbows tucked in. Downward facing dog. Start in a high plank, then lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Press your palms firmly into the mat. Start in a high plank, then lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Press your palms firmly into the mat. Warrior 1. Step your right foot forward and bend your knee to 90 degrees. Lift your arms overhead and square your hips forward. Step your right foot forward and bend your knee to 90 degrees. Lift your arms overhead and square your hips forward. Warrior 2. Begin in a wide stance. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and bend your right knee, keeping it over your ankle. Extend your arms parallel to the floor, gazing over your right fingertips. Maintain a strong, balanced stance and breathe. Begin in a wide stance. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and bend your right knee, keeping it over your ankle. Extend your arms parallel to the floor, gazing over your right fingertips. Maintain a strong, balanced stance and breathe. Lotus pose. Sit with your legs extended. Bend your right knee and place your right foot on top of your left thigh. Then, bend your left knee and place your left foot on top of your right thigh. Sit tall, rest your hands on your knees, and close your eyes for meditation. Plank pose. Start on your hands and knees. Extend one leg back, then the other, coming onto your toes. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core strongly and press your hands firmly into the ground. Hold steady. Camel pose. and slowly reaching back to grasp your heels one at a time. Push your hips forward and breathe deeply into this heart-opening pose. Forward fold pose. Stand tall with your feet hip distance apart. As you exhale, hinge from your hips and fold your torso over your legs. Keep a slight bend in your knees if needed. Let your head and neck relax completely. Hold your ankles or the floor and feel a deep stretch down the back of your legs. Breathe out all tension. Pigeon pose. From downward dog, bring your right knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg straight back behind you. Lower your hips towards the floor. You can stay upright or fold forward over your bent leg, resting your forehead down. Feel the deep opening in your right hip. Cat-cow pose. Start on your hands and knees, with wrists directly under your shoulders. As you inhale, drop your belly towards the floor, lift your chest and tailbone for cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine toward the ceiling, tuck your chin, and pull your navel up for cat pose. Move slowly with your breath. Corpse pose. Lie flat on your back, letting your arms and legs relax completely. Let your feet fall open to the sides. Close your eyes and soften your gaze. Release all control over your breath. Allow your body to sink heavily into the mat, absorbing the benefits of your practice. Rest completely. You did it, yoga friends. I'm so proud of how strong, calm, and happy you were today. Remember to like this video, subscribe bell, and share it with your friends so they can join our yoga fun too. See you in our next yoga adventure. Bye bye.